It's every adventurer's dream to truly experience the wild, to be one with nature. But the wild is unpredictable. 1 minute, it's just the rustling leaves underfoot, and the next, the deep-set eyes of a wolf tracking your movement. While such encounters are rare, they're not impossible. Are you prepared? Welcome to Survival Encounters. Today, we unravel the mysteries of the wolf and guide you through those heart-pounding moments of a potential encounter. In the following scenarios, we'll detail unexpected wolf encounters you might face and guide you on the best course of action. Let's venture into these survival encounters. Encounter during a hike. You're trekking through a dense forest. And there they are, a pack of wolves, watching. What should you do? Maintain eye contact. Wolves may interpret avoidance as a sign of weakness. Make yourself appear larger by raising your arms. This can intimidate or deter them. Slowly back away, ensuring you're not threatening or cornering them. Never turn your back or run, as this could trigger their natural instinct to chase.